If recovery is slow or hand strength just isn't what it used to be, this glove steps in to help, literally. The automatic hand trainer gently moves your fingers for you, helping rebuild motion, strength, and coordination without causing stress or pain. Just slip it on, adjust the speed and force levels, and let the smart system guide your hand through controlled exercises. It's especially helpful for stroke recovery, post-surgery rehab, arthritis, or nerve damage. The lightweight design makes it easy to wear daily, and it's quiet enough to use while watching TV or reading. Consistent movement leads to steady progress, and this glove makes that consistency effortless. Cooking often starts with chopping, and that usually takes the most time. This slicer turns it into a quick, easy step. With one press, your ingredients are cut into even pieces and collected neatly in the box below, keeping your counter clean. The 6 interchangeable blades give you options for slices, cubes, or thicker cuts, and the sturdy design keeps it safe and steady while you work. When you're done, just lift out the box, rinse it, and it's ready to use again. A simple tool that makes everyday prep faster, cleaner, and much more convenient. Compact and powerful. This 7-in-1 pocket lamp belongs on your keychain, in your glove box, or clipped to your bag. It's a bright LED flashlight, rechargeable work light, and emergency tool in one. With a window breaker, magnetic base, bolt driver, and red light mode for signaling. It adapts to whatever the moment needs. Rugged yet lightweight, it's perfect for camping, hiking, night drives, or unexpected situations. Confidence, light, and function, all in your pocket. For those who take their tech seriously, this all-in-one cleaning system is a game changer. From dust hiding beneath your keys to grime in your charging port or smudges on your camera lens, it's designed to handle the delicate details that most tools miss, thoroughly, safely, and with precision. Tucked neatly into a compact, travel-ready case, it includes everything from soft and firm brushes to air blowers, precision tips, a microfiber cloth, a refillable spray bottle, and even tiny tools crafted just for earbuds, SIM trays, and headphone slots. Each item fits perfectly in its own compartment, keeping the whole kit organized, protected, and always ready to go. No more improvising with cotton swabs or paper clips. Whether you're a student, gamer, content creator, or someone who simply values spotless gear, this toolkit helps restore your devices to their best condition without hassle or risk. Take care of your tech the smart way, wherever you are. A tiny astronaut standing on the moon, quietly filling the room with light. Blank ceilings turn into deep space skies, scattered with soft colors and quiet motion. Gentle enough for sleep, calming enough for late-night thoughts. It adds a sense of peace, curiosity, and just a touch of magic. Perfect for a bedroom, a reading nook, or anywhere that could use a little wonder. A clean modern lamp that adapts to your space. Touch to switch, fold to adjust, and use it however you like. Standing, hanging, or flat. Soft light when you want to relax, bright focus when you need to work. Simple, warm, and always useful. Built for travelers, gym goers, and daily adventurers, this spacious yet lightweight bag redefines convenience. With a sleek foldable design, it takes up virtually no space when not in use, but expands into a roomy travel companion when needed. Whether you're heading to the airport, packing for a weekend getaway, or just need extra space for shopping, this bag flexes to fit your life. The multiple compartments help you stay organized. From the main section that fits clothes and shoes to smaller pockets, perfect for your phone, chargers, passport, or toiletries. The rear strap easily slides over your suitcase handle, turning it into the perfect carry-on. Water-resistant fabric keeps your items protected from sudden weather changes, while the reinforced stitching and durable zippers ensure it stands up to everyday use. And when the trip's over, just fold it back into its compact form and tuck it away. No bulk, no hassle, just a smart, stylish way to carry more without weighing yourself down. Late-night reading just got better. This ultra-thin LED panel softly illuminates the entire page without spilling light across the room. Lightweight, portable, and gentle on the eyes, it turns any book into a cozy nighttime escape, whether you're in bed, on a plane, or just unwinding after a long day. This 5-in-1 multifunctional slicer is made to make everyday cooking feel effortless. Instead of juggling knives and endless cutting boards, you just place your ingredients inside, press down, and in seconds, everything is neatly sliced or grated. The motion feels light and smooth, and the built-in holder keeps your hands safe the whole time. What makes it even better is how clean it keeps your space. Everything falls right into the container, so there's no scattered pieces and no messy countertop. After you're done, it takes just a moment to rinse and put away. It's one of those tools that saves you time, keeps things tidy, and makes preparing a meal feel less like a chore and more like a simple part of the day. This mini power bank fits right on your keychain and powers your phone when you need it most. No cables, no hassle, just plug in and charge. Compact, fast, and always ready. It's the backup you'll always be glad you brought. Cute, compact, and ready to light up your space. This mini LED reading lamp clips onto books, desks, or laptops with ease. The flexible neck lets you adjust the angle just right, while the soft, warm glow is gentle on the eyes. Whether you're reading, working, or winding down at night, it adds just the right touch of light and a little bit of charm to your setup. Small enough to take anywhere, bright enough to use everywhere. Start your day like a silent warrior. This ninja-themed ceramic mug comes fully equipped with a black mask sleeve, a katana-shaped spoon, and a shuriken-style lid. It's more than just clever design. The ceramic holds heat well, and the spoon rests snugly in its side holster. Perfect for coffee, tea, or a stealthy late-night snack break. Adds a fun, bold twist to your daily routine without taking itself too seriously. With its soft glow and cheerful design, this pear-shaped night lamp brings warmth to any room. Tap to adjust the brightness. Perfect for bedtime reading or a calming atmosphere. Its flexible silicone body and happy face make it a charming companion for both kids and adults. Light that feels like art. This crystal-style acrylic lamp reflects colors in a way that completely changes the mood of your space. From soft and warm to bright and vivid, it can glow in countless shades to match your style. Portable, rechargeable, and ready to bring a touch of elegance anywhere you place it. One lamp, endless ways to light your world. Support and rest, always within reach. This foldable walking chair stick transforms from a stable walking cane into a comfortable seat in seconds. Lightweight yet durable, with anti-slip rubber feet for safety on any surface. Perfect for elderly users, travelers, or anyone who needs a quick break on the go. Easy to fold, carry, and store. No tools needed. Stay independent, stay comfortable, wherever life takes you. A daily ritual, made beautiful. This elegantly crafted ceramic mug comes with a built-in filter that lets you steep loose leaf tea with ease. No extra tools, no mess. Just add your favorite leaves, pour hot water, and let the magic unfold. When it's ready, lift the filter and enjoy a clean, aromatic brew right in your cup. The matte finish, wooden handle, and thoughtful design make it feel like more than just a mug. It's a moment of calm in your hands. Perfect for workdays, slow mornings, or anyone who wants a little more ceremony in their tea routine. Looking for a cheeky gift that's both funny and wearable? This playful underwear adds a lighthearted twist to your surprise. Perfect for couples who love to laugh, keep things fun, and enjoy sharing inside jokes together. It's a hilarious yet affectionate way to say, "I thought of you," and couldn't resist. Sometimes words fall short. This ring fills the gap. Just one quick spin, and your mood does the talking. Clever, bold, and weirdly satisfying to fidget with all day. It may look like a sleek ring, but it folds into a compact stainless steel tool you can count on. Great for stress relief or added peace of mind. Discreet, durable, and always ready. This grenade-shaped ceramic mug brings a bold edge to your daily coffee ritual. Crafted from durable ceramic, it's as functional as it is eye-catching. Whether you're at home or the office, it's the perfect mix of playful design and everyday practicality, sure to start conversations and mornings alike. Release the tension of the day with this wireless scalp massager. Your personal moment of calm wherever you are. Its rotating silicone nodes mimic the gentle kneading of human hands, easing stress from your head, neck, and shoulders with every move. Lightweight and cordless, it fits seamlessly into your routine, whether you're on the couch, at your desk, or winding down before bed. With each gentle rotation, it melts away fatigue and invites a lasting sense of comfort that's hard to put into words. Small in size, big in relaxation, and always within reach when you need it most. Looks like a ring, acts like a backup plan. This stainless steel design hides a sharp blade inside, discreet, compact, and always ready to step in. It stays out of sight, feels light on your hand, and gives you peace of mind without adding bulk. A delicate necklace that says more than words. Two minimalist figures locked in a warm embrace, captured in metal. This piece is more than just jewelry. It's a quiet reminder of love, closeness, and connection you can carry with you every day. Turn the rollers, roll out a new challenge. This little gadget makes math fun, fast, and hands-on. No screens, no stress, just spin to create endless combinations of addition, subtraction, and more. Each twist brings a new problem, keeping minds active and engaged without ever feeling like homework. Perfect for kids who are learning, parents looking for interactive tools, or adults who want to stay sharp. Whether you're in a classroom, at home, or on the go, it's compact, playful, and way more satisfying than a worksheet. Math practice made simple and honestly, a little addictive. Start your day with a laugh, or at least a double take. This poop emoji mug adds humor to your coffee with its cheeky design and smiling face. Perfect as a gag gift or desk accessory. Looking sharp has never been this easy. This sleek handheld steamer fits right in your palm and powers up in seconds. No ironing board, no fuss. Just fill the tank, press the button, and let the continuous steam melt away wrinkles like magic. It works on all your favorite fabrics, from delicate dresses to cotton shirts and even heavier materials. Need a quick refresh before heading out? This tool is your secret weapon for smooth, crisp clothes anytime. Lightweight, portable, and powerful, it's perfect for both home use and travel. No more waiting for the iron to heat up, no more bulky equipment, just fast, easy results. Toss it in your bag, keep it by your vanity, or pack it for a weekend trip. This bold ceramic mug doesn't just hold your coffee, it makes a statement. With a revolver-style handle finished in striking metallic chrome, it adds a playful and rebellious twist to your daily routine. Perfect for those who like their caffeine strong and their style even stronger. This all-in-one screwdriver kit solves that in style. From tech repairs to tiny home fixes, it packs everything you need in one sleek case. The magnetic storage keeps each bit organized and easy to access, while the rotatable handle provides a solid, comfortable grip. Every bit is crafted with precision and labeled clearly. No more guesswork, no more mismatches. Whether you're tightening a hinge, swapping out laptop parts, or fixing your watch, there's a tool in here that fits. Lightweight and durable, it's perfect for your desk, your bag, or your car. Clean, compact, and endlessly useful. This is the screwdriver kit you'll actually want to carry everywhere. When versatility meets durability, you get a tool that's ready for anything. This folding survival multi-tool is built to handle whatever the day throws at you. Whether you're out in the wild, fixing something on the go, or just like being prepared, its compact design hides serious strength, combining smart function with a rugged, matte black frame that feels solid in your hand. It opens and folds smoothly, locking into place with ease. So every task feels controlled and efficient. Whether you're slicing, tightening, or making quick adjustments, this tool keeps up without hesitation. It's light enough to carry in a pocket or pack, yet tough enough to feel like more than just a backup. It's the kind of gear you bring just in case, but find yourself using far more than you expected. From daily fixes to outdoor situations, it's ready to go when you are, and built to earn its spot in your everyday carry. Long trips, late nights, or sudden blackouts, this lantern's ready for it all. You can charge it by sunlight or USB, and it keeps going when you need it most. With a strong beam, solid handle, and a built-in power bank for your phone, it's the kind of gear that just makes sense. Simple, sturdy, and always there when the lights go out. Looking for a mug that's as hilarious as it is unique? This squatting, toilet-shaped ceramic mug is the ultimate conversation starter. With its playful design and surprisingly comfortable handle, it's perfect for serving coffee, tea, or even a bold smoothie. Whether you're gifting a friend or shocking your coworkers, this mug guarantees laughs with every sip. Brew tea the easy way with this heat-resistant glass teapot. Designed for elegance, built for everyday comfort. Just add your favorite loose leaves, pour in hot water, and press the button on top. The tea filters through gently, giving you a smooth, clean pour without oversteeping. Its transparent body lets you enjoy the color and clarity of each brew, while the ergonomic handle ensures a steady, confident grip. Whether it's a peaceful morning routine or an evening with guests, This teapot turns every moment into a small celebration of tea, simplicity, and warmth. Your cozy space deserves to feel fresh, clean, and truly dust-free. This compact yet powerful device goes beyond surface cleaning by targeting what your eyes can't see: microscopic mites, dust, and allergens hiding deep in your fabrics. With its UV sterilization and strong suction, it doesn't just clean, it purifies. Whether you're working on your mattress, sofa, or carpet, it glides smoothly and quietly, delivering thorough cleaning without the bulky hassle of traditional vacuums. The ergonomic handle and cordless design make it incredibly easy to maneuver, while the transparent dust container gives instant feedback on just how much it's capturing. It's the kind of tool you didn't know you needed until you experience how fresh your home feels afterward. If you're tired of propping up your phone or tablet with whatever's nearby, this stand is a simple fix that makes a big difference. It adjusts to your perfect angle, holds your device steady, and keeps your hands free whether you're watching videos, working, video calling, or even cooking with a recipe on screen. It's lightweight, foldable, and easy to carry. Just unfold it, set your angle, and you're good to go. Works with phones, tablets, e-readers, pretty much anything you use daily. Once you try it, it quietly becomes one of those things you won't want to be without. You know that stiff neck you get after a long day at your desk? This little device takes care of it in minutes. The electric U-shaped massager fits snugly around your neck and quietly gets to work, kneading, warming, and loosening up those tight spots. And it's not just for your neck. You can move it to your shoulders, waist, or even under your legs after a long walk. It's lightweight, easy to carry, and makes it feel like you've had a full massage session, right on your couch whenever you need it. This tiny arcade-style boxing game is more fun than it has any right to be. Just pull back your finger and flick the little punch pad, watch the lights flash and the score jump like you're in your own mini tournament. It's part stress relief, part silly fun, and weirdly addictive once you get into it. Great for passing the time at your desk, competing with friends, or just giving your fingers something to do besides scrolling. It's playful, nostalgic, and guaranteed to get a few laughs. If your kid gets bored in 2 minutes, this little game might just save your day. It's a mini bowling set, but instead of rolling a ball, you're launching a frog. Yep, a frog. You press down, it jumps forward, and if you're lucky, it crashes right into the pins. It's silly, it's loud, and somehow it keeps everyone at the table entertained for way longer than expected. No batteries, no screens, just pure low-tech fun. And don't be surprised if the adults get just as competitive as the kids. For those dealing with mobility issues or long-term care, this makes daily life a little more manageable. Designed as wearable, reusable underwear, this urine collector system offers discreet support without constant supervision. The medical-grade material is gentle on the skin, while the dual side bags provide generous capacity with less frequent emptying. It's secure, comfortable, and easy to clean, giving both the wearer and caregiver a little more peace of mind throughout the day. If your room needs a little warmth and a bit of personality, this lazy duck might be exactly what's missing. Shaped like it gave up in the most adorable way, this soft-touch night lamp gives off a warm, calming glow, perfect for winding down. Tap to turn it on, tap again to adjust the brightness. It's simple, playful, and oddly comforting. The squishy silicone body adds to the charm, making it ideal for bedtime, reading, or just setting a cozy mood. Whether it's for your nightstand or a fun little gift, this duck adds light and a smile wherever it goes. When getting out of bed isn't an option, this makes things a lot easier. Designed for comfort and ease, this portable toilet is perfect for recovery, limited mobility, or elderly care. The large capacity means fewer emptying trips, and the angled design helps prevent spills. It's lightweight, easy to clean, and works from bed or chair. Simple, practical, and exactly what you need when mobility is limited.